Cranberries are a type of small red berry that is native to North America. They have been used for both culinary and medicinal purposes for centuries. Cranberries are most commonly associated with Thanksgiving and holiday season. In the United States, where they are often used in sauces, stuffing, and baked goods. Cranberries are known for their tart and tangy flavor, and are a popular ingredient in juices, sauces, and other processed foods. They are also available in dried or supplement form, making it easy to add them to your diet. Here are 30 medical and home benefits of cranberries. Supports urinary tract health. Cranberries have been shown to reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the bladder wall. Supports oral health. Cranberries have been shown to reduce the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Supports digestive health. Cranberries have been shown to improve gut health and relieve digestive problems such as constipation and diarrhea. Supports cardiovascular health. Cranberries have been shown to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Supports immune system. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and vitamins that support the immune system, helping to protect against illness and disease. Supports healthy skin. Cranberries have been shown to improve skin health and reduce the risk of skin damage from free radicals. Supports healthy aging. Cranberries have been shown to improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Supports healthy weight management. Cranberries have been shown to have a positive effect on weight management, helping to reduce body fat and improve metabolism. Anti-inflammatory. Cranberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce pain and swelling in the body. Supports healthy bones. Cranberries are high in calcium and other minerals that are important for healthy bones. Supports healthy vision. Cranberries are high in vitamins A and C, which are important for healthy vision. Supports healthy liver function. Cranberries have been shown to improve liver function and protect against liver damage. Supports healthy respiratory function. Cranberries have been used to treat respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Supports healthy brain function. Cranberries have been shown to improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Supports healthy hormonal balance. Cranberries have been used to regulate hormones and relieve symptoms of PMS and menopause. Supports healthy menstrual cycle. Cranberries have been used to regulate the menstrual cycle and relieve menstrual cramps. Supports healthy pregnancy. Cranberries have been used to promote healthy pregnancy and prevent miscarriage. Supports healthy lactation. Cranberries have been used to increase milk production in nursing mothers. Supports healthy joint health. Cranberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce joint pain and inflammation. Supports healthy kidney function. Cranberries have been shown to improve kidney function and protect against kidney damage. Supports healthy cholesterol levels. Cranberries have been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Cranberries have been shown to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Supports healthy skin. Cranberries have been used to treat skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Supports healthy hair. Cranberries have been used to improve hair health and prevent hair loss. Supports healthy immune system. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and vitamins that support the immune system, helping to protect against illness and disease. Supports healthy digestion. Cranberries have been shown to improve gut health and relieve digestive problems such as constipation and diarrhea. Supports healthy urinary function. Cranberries have been shown to improve urinary function and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. Supports healthy blood circulation. Cranberries have been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots. Supports healthy liver function. Cranberries have been shown to improve liver function and protect against liver damage. Supports healthy eyesight. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and vitamins that support healthy eyesight.